Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, March 11th, 2001, 8 am. You must not be afraid of writing what we dictate to you. A world new and totally different from what you are presently living in will exist in the future centuries. Establish a parallel between what life was in the 18th century and what is it nowadays. Would the most advanced people of those times have imagined what exists now in every field? You consider everything as normal and take it definitely for granted. Similarly, the way to go within the next 2 centuries will be even more amazing. Therefore, you must note down without absolutely any reservation, even if you do not understand. A new world is in the offing. You cannot imagine it. It is beyond your comprehension. Your current civilization is built on a few principles that will no longer prevail in the future. Electricity, oil, and its byproducts, which are used in the present system, will be considered as antique or simply forgotten. A complete revolution will have occurred at every level. If a vestige of your civilization had to remain, it might be studied with curiosity. That is the way it is since the beginning of time. Each thing evolves and is renewed. Men end up going to the most glaring extremes that must therefore be remedied. Everything changes and is transformed. It is in the nature of things. Babuji. Same day at 10 am. Why keep dwelling on the opinion of other people? Aren't you satisfied with ours? You are a good medium, and that is not as easy as your circle may think. You put a lot of yourself into this work, and it is natural that you express yourself when you so wish. This new collection will puzzle you many times. You will have to get used to this new genre whose contents are unverifiable and adapt yourself at all costs. We give you some time. Your helpers will support you in this new phase full of surprises. You finally resigned yourself to not doubting anymore, and yet we start again shaking you up. We have to progress in our work, and you need to trust in us. That is all we can tell you about this. Do not be afraid. You receive us very well. The comments are different, but you are not the cause of it. We couldn't eternally go along the same lines. Keep these writings for yourself if you so wish. It is up to you, but it is good to prepare open minded people for this potential complete upheaval in future times. Some ancient civilizations have gone through similar events before they disappeared. They take place over very long periods of time and do not concern you. Babuji.